Kamusta po ang lahat? Welcome back again to our channel. It's me again, Majelica. So, magandang umaga Pilipinas, dobre utra Russia. I hope lahat po tayo ay nasa maayos na kalagayan ngayon, especially sa mga kababayan ko sa Pilipinas. So, malapit na talaga guys ang Pasko at ilang araw na lang, Pasko na. Pero dito sa Russia, of course, they have different celebration of Christmas Day here. So guys, for today's video I'm very excited kasi naimbitahan tayo sa isang birthday, and yung magbe-birthday guys is Filipina. So after 10 months, sa wakas, makakakilala na rin ako ng mga Pilipina dito sa Russia, kasi actually guys, mula nung dumating ako dito sa Russia is wala pa talaga akong namimit na Filipina, and dahil nga may mabait tayong kaibigan na nakilala ko lang din siya sa online, Facebook, and then ayun, nag-message siya sa akin if I wanted to go with her birthday celebration. So guys, pupunta tayo at kasama natin si husband kasi medyo malayo siya guys actually, pero okay lang kasi minsan lang naman to, and para na rin makapag-banding ako sa mga ibang Filipina. And of course, hindi mawawala dyan yung pagkain. So, samahan nyo ako guys. I hope pwede ako mag-vlog sa house nila. So, susubukan natin. So, magre-ready lang ako. And actually, bukas pa naman yung birthdays. Sobrang excited lang ako. Pero dahil nga mas accessible pag sa in-laws ako, pag sa in-laws kami muna mag-stay kasi mag-weekend na rin naman tomorrow. So, ngayon is Friday. Pupunta na ako sa in-laws ko. And tomorrow, para maaga kami bumiyahe kasi medyo malayo siya guys. Pero Moscow din naman siya. It's time guys, and stay tuned!
Ito na yung araw na makiki-birthday tayo, and imimit din namin yung isa pang Pilipina para sabay-sabay na kaming pumunta dun sa house ng aming kaibigan. And kailangan lang namin mag-train ulit para makarating doon. Finally guys, nakarating na kami and nakaredy na yung mga food. Sobrang excited ako kasi nga guys, after how many months ngayon lang ako ulit nakakain ng authentic Filipino food. And at the same time, si husband, sobrang saya niya guys kasi sa wakas nakakain rin siya ng sisig at lumpia na kanyang paboritong pagkain Pilipino. Sayang nga lang at hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video sa travel and dito sa house nila kasi nga nabisi na kami sa kwentuhan, and pakiramdam ko talaga na sa Pilipinas ako. That's why I'm very grateful na nakabanding ko sila kahit sa maikling oras. Yung next errand namin naman for this week is kasama namin sila in-laws kasi today is kikitain namin yung stepdaughter ko para mag-abot ng regalo. Actually, additional gift na lang ito galing sa company ni husband for New Year. Yung regalo namin sa bata is na i-deliver na nung nakaraang araw pa. Dito sa Russia, ang first celebration nila is New Year kasi nga ang Christmas nila dito is January 7 pa. So yung pagbibigayan ng regalo is usually for the New Year. And while waiting, I got the chance to capture these amazing figures from Russian fantasy movie Buratino, like adaptation of Italian novel The Adventures of Pinocchio. Saglit lang nakita ni husband si stepdaughter kasi nga may schedule yung bata for swimming lesson every weekends. Gustuhin man ng asawa ko na makasama yung anak niya ng matagal, for me it's not an issue, I totally understand, but may nanay pa yung bata and we need to respect her decision. Si husband, when it comes sa kanyang anak, he don't wants complication as long as he do his obligations, and that's enough for him. Ayaw niyang maapektuhan yung bata sa sitwasyon. Sa ngayon, if gusto ng asawa ko na makita yung anak niya pag weekends, dito lang namin siya pinupuntahan ng saglitan after or before ng swimming lesson niya. Anyways, moving forward, ang ganda rin ng decorations nila dito, and dahil maaga pa naman, pupuntahan rin namin yung kabilang banda. It's a walking distance only here to check out some holidays decorations. Andito na tayo guys sa next park destination natin. Di naman kalakihan yung park. Ang main attraction nila dito is may ice skating. And sa ngayon guys, medyo warm winter pa, but I don't know until when. Alam nyo naman, yung weather dito ay constant ang changes. While walking and seeing these beautiful decorations plus the weather, kahit papaano naiibsan yung homesick ko sa Pilipinas. But to be honest, naka-adjust na ako recently na lang na medyo bumabalik. Siguro nga dahil mag-holiday na, syempre iba pa rin at Pasko at bagong taon sa Pilipinas. Yung mga bagay na nakasanayan natin during the holidays and of course our family. By the way guys, this place is called the Moscow Palace of Pioneers on Sparrow Hills. Actually, aside from park, this is also a large educational center for children. It is a part of the Vorobyev-Grigory Educational Center. Over 25,000 children annually participate in a wide range of activities like laboratories and technical workshops, music and art studios, sports school and sections classes with engineering, natural science, social and humanitarian orientations. And as always, each winter we find an ice skating rink, special set up for the season's enjoyment. These delightful rinks transform into quiet, popular hangout spots for celebrating special occasions, gathering with family, and fostering strong connections within the community during the colder months. Skating and hockey is undeniably remain among the top favorite sports activities here in Russia. Naikot na namin yung buong park and umuulan na rin ng snow, that's why we decided to go home. May work na din kasi si husband bukas and ako may appointment din sa dental. Yung December 24 and 25 nila dito guys is regular working day lang sa kanila. But let's see tomorrow if matapos ng maaga yung dental ko, then if makauwi ako ng aming apartment, we will try to cook at least for the Noche Buena.
Hi everyone! Merry Christmas! Today is December 24. So I just want to greet everyone, especially my family in the Philippines. Merry Christmas! But here in Russia, it's quite like normal day since they have a different Christmas Day celebration here during January 7. A majority of the religion here is Orthodox Christian.
I'm on my way now to the dental clinic appointment together with my mother-in-law. It's only 4 p.m. now in the afternoon. I'm not so sure if makakauwi pa ako sa aming apartment if late na matapos. Probably is I will stay on my in-laws tonight. Then I hope tomorrow is we can pass by to the church before going home. We are here now at the clinic. I'm just waiting for my appointment time. And after this dental, medyo makakapagpahinga na ako dahil guys, itong month of December, very busy for us. Nag-start tong process ng extension ng aking visa, registration ko dito, and it's good na lahat yun ay tapos na. Yung next naman is gagawin namin possible on January na for my yearly medical, which is required to all migrants here. Pasalamat na lang talaga ako na laging andyan si mother-in-law to assist me when I need someone. Lalo na pag nasa work si husband. Si mami kasi is retired na yan, so sa bahay lang siya madalas and laging available talaga. Gusto niya din kasi laging namamasyal, and pag nasa retirement stage ka na dito, ang kagandahan is libre ka na sa lahat ng public transportation. Natapos na yung sa dental ko and pauwi na rin kami guys. Bali, kila mami na muna ako mag-overnight kasi gusto daw ni mami sumama sa Catholic Church bukas. Good morning everyone! Dobre Utra, Russia! Time check, 8 a.m. in the morning. So, pupunta kami guys ng Catholic Church since December 25 today. So, magsisimba tayo. Actually, this is my second time to be here in this one of their Catholic church. So, kasama ko si mother-in-law today since si husband is working. We've reached the church now and the last time I visited was back in July. This place is one of the biggest Catholic churches in Moscow and it's actually the first one constructed here. So come with us and let's go! This is what my Christmas be like here this year in Russia. It's really different from the traditional celebrations I had back in Philippines. During Noche Buena, I got a call from my family there and seeing them made me feel a bit sad. Especially when I noticed my dad crying while we talk. It hits me now the one that I've heard always before from other people who live abroad that how different Christmas when you are far away from home. And now I really understand that feeling. This is my first Christmas away from them and it's definitely hard for me. Life doesn't always stay the same and that's just how it is. I may not have experienced Christmas like I used to, but I'm here to express my gratitude for all the blessings I've received this year. Good health for my family and loved ones, smooth process in moving here, and finally having our own home. Dun pa lang is malaking pasasalamat na. Despite of one blessings we hope to be a parents, hindi man naging successful this year, it's actually made my faith in Him even stronger. I haven't lost hope and I believe that in the right time, things will come back around for us. And to my one friend who lost her miracle one the day before the Christmas, I know how hard and painful it is. You're in my thoughts and prayers and I hope we can both find healing physically and emotionally. Of course, I want to take a moment to say big thank you and to all my Filipinos kababayan, maraming salamat to all people who's been tuning into my videos about my life and experiences here in Russia. It would mean a lot if you could also subscribe to our channel. It really helped us grow. We're open to any feedback so feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section.
So ayun guys, naabutan namin konting misa na lang kasi patapos na and may schedule lang kasi din yung misa nila dito. So nag-silent prayer na lang ako. So,
that's all for Christmas Day video guys. From my family to yours, wishing you all very Merry Christmas. God bless and be safe always. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.